Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer from Revolut to UK. So what you'll need to do is basically open up your app, and then as you can see on the bottom of your screen, you'll have home and all of these options. So make sure to click on the payments tab, and then what you'll need to do is go to the top right corner where you see this plus icon, click on that one, and then select international. So this means that you selected international bank transfer. And after that, you can search and scroll down until you see UK. But what I will do is use a search bar and type UK. And as you can see, this is United Kingdom. If I select it, I will need to put the amount that I want to send. After that, I will need to put some info, and then I will be able to do a bank transfer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.